that is occupied by 55% dogs and 45% cat, 60% of those animals are brought in by concerned people who found these animals in the streets. If 90% of the dogs are brought in by concerned people, what is the percent of cats that are brought in by concerned people? So we have 90% of the 55, and we have some other percent for the cats of the 45% that are cats. And this represents the 60% that are concerned. So if you take 90% of 55, I change this one to a decimal. If you take 90% of 55, you get 0.495. We can rewrite this one as 0.45C. And over here, we can modify this one to change it to a decimal as well, which means we have to move the decimal 2 spots. All right, so we're going to solve this for this variable C right here. And the way we do that is we have to move this piece over. These ones add to 0. So I have 0.45C. And on this side, 0.6 minus 0.495 leaves us with 0.105. To undo the multiplication happening here, I have to divide. And C is equal to 0.233, approximately. So to change this back to a percent, I move the decimal 2 spots to the right, which is 23.3% of the cats are brought in by concerned people.